Right, so to work out how much money we've made, first of all, we need to set the prices of these tickets. So I'm going to make another little table called prices. I'm going to copy these three because I need them again and paste them underneath. Do my borders for this table. And like I did with the other one, to put the title on the table, I've selected two cells together. I'm clicking on merge and center, and I'm going to make the text bold in that box. So this is where I'm going to write in what the price of these seats are. And on this particular flight, I'm going to decide that for a normal adult seat, it is going to cost you £50. I'm going to let children fly for half that price, £25. If you're a VIP, I'm going to charge you double, £100. Okay, and then with this information, if I do some sums, I can start to see how much money I'm making. Now, when a business makes money or has money that it's making, that's called income. So money coming into the business through sales is called income. So I'm going to make a table now called income. I'm going to copy these again and paste them underneath. Same as we made the last table. Select those two together, merge and center, make the title bold. So for adult seats, the formula you're going to have to write, which is a little bit of code. All formulas start with the equals button. So I'm going to say adult seats, the income equals the number of seats sold. So I'm going to click on 25 and it's put a cell reference in there for me. So the number of seats sold times, which is the star key, which is just above the 8 on your keyboard. So times is the star key. The price for adult seats, which is £50. So I click on £50, put another cell reference in there for me. I press enter on the keyboard. That shows me from selling adult seats, I'm making £1,250. So we'll do the same thing for child seats. Start with an equals, and it's the price, which is £25. I click on that. Times, which is the star symbol, and the number of seats sold, which is that one, number 11. If I press enter, it shows me how much money I'm making there. And then the big one, the VIP seats, the expensive ones, it's equals the price times the number of seats sold. Press enter. So I know how much I'm making from adults, children and VIPs. It would also be useful to just have a total at the bottom. Do a little border there. And in this total, I just want to add all these together, and you can do that using the auto sum. So if you click in the box where you want the answer and you just click auto sum, press the enter button, and I can see that from this flight I'm making £2,525. Now, the reason we didn't just use a calculator or a pencil and our brains to work out this number is it should change as you book more seats. So say 3 adults are booked onto the flight. You see the price has gone up slightly. Or say we fully book out the VIP section. Watch the price go up every time a new seat is booked. So it's automatically calculating how much money you're making from your ticket sales, and it is always up to date. You don't have to wait for someone to come along with a calculator and work these things out again. It always stays up to date, which is the main advantage of having something like this in a spreadsheet.